Hello, in this video we are going to check out top 5 best folding electric scooter. We made this list based on my personal opinion that's a result of research for our. We ranked the products based on their quality, specification and all other important facts. We have tried to select them from various price range, so you can easily find the best product for you. You will also find product links in the description. You can check everything about the products through the links. Number 5. Brand name, Jaishai. Model number, X800. X800 is the latest style on the market. This scooter body has beautiful lines and fashionable design. The body fully conforms to the human body design and achieves the maximum comfort. The pedal of scooter has the hollow design of our brand logo. The seat of the scooter is removable and the height is adjustable. You can choose whether to install the seat according to your preference. X800 electric scooter is equipped with 48-volt 1000 watt strong motor. The maximum speed can reach 30 miles per hour. It can adapt to all kinds of roads and bad weather, and has the climbing ability of 35 degrees. Equipped with 18 ampere-hour 18,650 lithium-ion battery, the battery life is long, and the maximum driving distance can reach 35 miles. Number 4. Brand name, InMotion. Model number, L9. Wide deck and 10-inch tires provide a comfortable ride. Dual shock suspension, 59 miles range. Take it to anywhere you want with 2-step easy folding. Protect you in a blink of eyes, get away from the accidents. Strong motor in the front can generate mass power to climb the hills. Extra large deck on L9 electric scooter will give you an ultimate riding experience. The front wheel motor is closer to the controller. More responsive to generate the power. Enough space to put your both feet on. Equipped with a 675 watt-hours high-capacity lithium-ion battery with multiple protection mechanisms, you will never be afraid of charging and battery safety anymore. Be more visible at night. It's activated and blinking when taking a turn. Cooler and safer. Super compact and efficient dual suspension design can absorb the bumps feeling even in tough terrains. Save up a few more hours to explore the world. Super fast to full charge in 3.6 hours with a dual charging ports. Super compact and efficient dual suspension design can absorb the bumps feeling even in tough terrains. Simple informative display shows speed and battery capacity so you know when to recharge. Number 3. Brand name, Xiaomi. Model number, 1S. 8.5-inch pneumatic tires, multifunctional dashboard. Aerospace-grade aluminum body, ABS plus disc brake. Real-time display of 8 kinds of data, speed mode, power, lock status, and other driving information at a glance. Intuitive controls, one button, multiple functions. Not only does the button turn the power on and off, it can also be used to switch between speed modes and to turn the headlights on and off. Cruise control comes in handy for longer routes, such as the bike path. If you have it activated in the app, hold the throttle for a few seconds, and it will turn itself on. The scooter then rides itself ultimately. You don't have to push the throttle, just the handlebars. Just tap the brake lever, and cruise control will switch off. The fundamental change is undoubtedly the new LCD display between the handlebars. It informs you about the current speed, battery status, speed mode, and other facts. Number 2. Brand name, KKA. Model number, L2. KKA scooter electric has powerful LED headlights, LED brake taillights, turn signals, match European and American road standards. Ensure safe riding in the evening. equipped with a 350-watt upgraded motor, which can reach a maximum speed of 15.6 miles per hour. High-capacity battery UL approved, support maximum 22 miles speeds range. Top gear 15.6 miles per hour, second gear 12.5 miles per hour, first gear 9.5 miles per hour. KK, a motorized scooter, has a disc braking and ABS regenerative anti-lock braking system for an efficient, responsive braking distance of 13.1 feet. Advanced hydraulic shock absorber, safe explosion-proof tires, easily go through various road surfaces and relieve the bumps. Number 1. Brand name, Yum. Model number, S10. Powerful 1000-watt high-speed brushless DC rear motor, reach up speed of 30 miles per hour. 13 ampere-hour or 21 ampere-hour 48-volt lithium battery and longest range of 30 miles. Dual drive, disc brakes, front and rear suspension. Air pressure front fork and double spring rear shock absorber structure. 10-inch big wheel off-road tire, adapt to all kinds of pavement. Great shock absorption and anti-slip treads. Quick folding mechanism allows it to be folded and unfolded in seconds, making it easily put in the trunk of the car, suitable for home travel. Fully enjoy the fun of riding.